Hello, fair to everybody. Today I would like to talking about the neorealism and new liberalism. I'm trying to discuss about anarchy in international relation theory, the neorealism and neoliberalism debate. This is an article reviewed by Robert Powell in 1994. Both of theory comes out from different school of thought. This mean new realism, one school of thought, and then liberalism, the other school of thought. Okay, if somebody need to explore more to understand about the debate of this theory, according to this article, there are suggest two of book that's very familiar in this debate. Firstly is neoliberalism and its critics, and neoliberalism and neoliberalism, the contemporary debate. And the second book is neoliberalism and its critics. Okay. However, today we are trying to focus to an article, Robert Powell. Okay, the Powell review was evolution specifics on Kenneth Walls formulation in four broad avenue. Okay, the first avenue are the origins of state preference and agent structure problem and what specific definition of political structure. And the secondly is on the neoliberalism take for granted. And third is criticism find what definition of structure to an understanding. And lastly, or for the fourth is criticism challenge the international logic of neoliberalism directly. Okay, at the center of the neoliberalism and neoliberalism debate have three issues. Okay, Kenneth Walt define have three issue. An issue. The first is the main of debate is the meaning and implication of anarchy. Second, about the problem of absolute and relative gain. And lastly, tension between coordination and distribution. Powell also lists four avenues of criticism. Firstly, preference are given exogenously, and then secondly is the inseparability of agent and structure, and third, Walt's definition of structure, and lastly is new realism and its implication. Okay. The three issue at the center of neoliberalism and new liberalism debate are the meaning and give more implication of anarchy. Okay, first, although anarchy always taken to be a fundamental organizing concept in international relation theory, an emphasis on anarchy misplaced. And secondly, controversy over the problem of absolute and relative gains generally has mistaken effect for cause in its analysis of the prospect for international cooperation. Only and then lastly, only recently has begun to consider distribution concern. The analysis of this concern may help to clarify the international that's to divide neoliberalism and institutionalism. Okay. Okay. What is anarchy? Okay. Now, according to an article, anarchy means the lack of common government that can enforce agreement among the state or more generally among the units. And then no agency exists above in the individual state with authority and power to make laws and settle disputes. and state can make commitment and treaty, but no sovereign power ensure compliance and punish deviation. This is anarchy. In Asian, the anarchy country like Brunei, most of in the world, the anarchy is Middle East like Arab Saudi, and a very controversy country like Syria today, uh, involved in the war. There's like Syria, and then there's a anarchy country as an example. So sometimes anarchy is uh, good, like Brunei, there's good, uh, but like in Syria, is very worth to everybody. Okay, there's anarchy, anarchy system. Okay, so as a conclusion, although the neoliberalism debates actually sometimes it's not clearly not clear we as the blurring. And this debate, however, this debate are very crucial, very important to us to examine the foundation of some of our most influential theories of international policy, and then to identify the strength and weakness among the anarchy perspective in neo-realism and neoliberalism. Okay, that's all for my review. I may review an article of uh, anarchy in international relation theory, the new realist and neoliberalism debates. Uh, Review by Robert Powell. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.